Children, already we saw about the what we can say, the weather and climatic lessons. Lesson only we are seeing. In this class, we are seeing the elements of weather and climatic condition. Already we saw about the temperature. In temperature, we saw about all the temperature, that is degrees of heat raised because of rotation, revolution of the earth, radiation, the mechanisms of this. Understand? And the heat zones. There are 3 heat zones. 3 heat zones. We saw about this. Now, next we saw about the rainfall. Rainfall, that is what is rainfall and what is the instrument which used to unit the rainfall, that is rain gauge. Now we are going to, we saw about this air pressure. Understand? Air pressure, isobar, the imaginary line is very important to know about the high pressure. And humans are not sensitive to small variation in the high pressure. இப்போ for an example, கொஞ்சம் காற்று ஒரு வேரியேஷன் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் அந்த அளவுக்கு we cannot identify. Understand? ஏதோ காற்று அடிக்குது அப்படின்னு தான் நம்ம இருப்போம். But the small variation pressure, understand, largely determined on storm patterns உருவாகும் to the earth. Can you able to follow then? Yeah. Then the distribution of atmospheric pressure controlled by altitude, atmospheric temperature, air circulation, earth rotation, water vapor, atmospheric storms, etc. So these are all called as the distribution of atmosphere. These are all about distribution of atmosphere. Now we are going to see about the humidity, next one. Humidity, fourth one. Humidity refers to the degree of water vapor present in the atmosphere as a gaseous form, particularly at time of place. What is humidity? It is what we can say, water vapor. Water vapor in the gaseous form is called as humidity. We can say it as humidity. Understand? It ranges from 0 to 5%. 0 to 5%, we can say it as this volume of atmosphere. Understand? And this level of humidity, it is because of the climatic condition and weather variation. The humidity also will vary. During summer season, the humidity will be less. ஈரத்தன்மை சொல்றோம்ல, that is called as humidity. Understand? During summer season, the humidity will be less. But during winter season, the humidity will be high. Can you able to follow? Understand? So the level of humidity decreases towards the poles and from equator. So this humidity is expressed in different ways. There are 3 types of humidity. What are they? First one, specific humidity, and second one, absolute humidity, and the third one, relative humidity. What we can say? We can express the humidity in 3 ways. They are specific humidity, absolute humidity, and relative humidity. First one, what is specific humidity? The specific humidity is the ratio between the water vapor content and the total mixture of the air. That is called as specific humidity. We can express in grams. The specific humidity எப்படி இருக்கான்? கிராம்ல இதை நம்ம சொல்றோம். The specific humidity, they are described in grams. And next one, absolute humidity. Absolute humidity is the mass and weight of water vapor present per unit volume, and it express usually in grams per cubic meter. இதை எப்படி சொல்கிறோம்? grams per cubic meter. That is called as what we can say? Absolute humidity. Relative humidity will expressed in percentage. It is in percentage. We can say it as percentage. Understand? And generally the warm air holds more water vapor than the cold air. இப்போ ஃபார் வார்ம் ஏர்னா என்ன? ரொம்பவே சம்மர் இருக்கக்கூடாது, ரொம்ப சில்லுன்னு இருக்கக்கூடாது. அதுதான் வார்ம். மீடியம். த வார்ம் ஏர் ஹோல்ட்ஸ் மச் ஹியூமிடிட்டி. அதில் ஹியூமிடிட்டி நிறையா இருக்கும். மச் ஹியூமிடிட்டி தேன் த கோல்டு ஏர். ஓகே. வெரி ஹை அண்ட் வெரி லோ ஹியூமிடிட்டி ஆர் இன்ஜூரியஸ் டு ஹெல்த். ரொம்ப லோ ஹியூமிடிட்டியும் இருக்கக்கூடாது, ஹை ஹியூமிடிட்டியும் இருக்கக்கூடாது. இட் வில் இன்ஜுரி. நம்மளுக்கு பாடி கண்டிஷன் அதை நம்மளுக்கு ஏற்றுக்காது. நம்மளோட பாடி டெம்பரேச்சர் இட் கான்ட் பி ஏபிள் டு சப்போர்ட். ஓகே. அண்ட் பில்டிங் எல்லாம் வாட் வி கேன் சே கிராக் எல்லாம் விழும். ஈவன் நாட் ஓன்லி த ஹியூமன் பாடி, ஈவன் த பில்டிங்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? அதில் கிராக் இருக்கும், ஏர் ப்ரெஷர் வந்துடும் அதில். தென் எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் அந்த எக்யூப்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஃபால்ட் ஆகிடும். அதனால இந்த ஹியூமிடிட்டி ரொம்ப ஈரத்தன்மை நிறைய ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அந்த ஒயரெல்லாம் போதில் அதிலெல்லாம் பர்ஸ்ட் ஆகிடும், பேர்ன் ஆகிடும். இன் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி ஃபால்ஸ் எல்லாம் நிறையா இட் வில் ஹேப்பனிங். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஓகே. இந்த மெஷர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் ஹியூமிடிட்டி என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, வாட் வி ஆர் மெஷரிங் திஸ் ஹியூமிடிட்டி, விச் இஸ் யூஸ்ஃபுல் to measure the humidity அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, that is called as hygrometer. Hygrometer. Hygrometer is used to measure the humidity. Understand? Next one, we are going to see about the wind. The horizontal movement of the air is called as wind. காத்து அடிக்குதுன்னு சொல்கிறோம்ல, that is called as wind. The vertical movement of the air is called as air current. Can you able to follow? Wind means air. The horizontal movement வந்து it is called as air, and the vertical movement is called as air current. Air current. Can you able to follow? And wind gets this name from the direction of the which the wind blows from southwest is called as the wind blows in the side la adikudhu, from which side we can name it as that type of wind. If it is the wind blows from south, we can say it as southwest is called southwest wind. And the mari namma we are saying. And the wind system broadly classified into 3 types. They are planetary winds, seasonal wind and local wind. There are 3 types of wind. Missing எழுதுறேன். Okay. One is planetary. Second one is seasonal, and the third one is local. So these are the 3 system of winds. Actually, in the planetary wind, it is otherwise called as seasonal. That is a permanent wind. Always it will blow. Understand? The wind blows always. It is called as planetary winds. What we can say in all direction, எல்லா directionலயும் இந்த காத்து ஒரே மாதிரி அடிக்கும். That is why it is called as the permanent wind. Okay, and அதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்னென்ன பார்க்கலாம் அப்படின்னா the trade wind, westerlies, they are called as the polar easterlies are called as the the planetary winds. Okay, and the second one is called as seasonal wind. Seasonal wind will blow only that season. That is southwest monsoon season, northeast monsoon season. And the monsoon season la adikira ஒரு type of a certain season la adikirada, that is called as seasonal wind. Understand? There are classifying winds in planetary wind, seasonal wind, and third one is local wind. So season la adikiradu what we can say seasonal wind. And the seasonal wind எங்க இருந்து அடிக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா during summer season from sea to எங்க it will to land. Understand? From sea to land அடிக்கிறது summer seasonல, from land to sea அடிக்கிறது winter season. And the next one is polar local winds. These local winds from land and sea breeze together, they are called as local winds. And this wind is measured by an instrument called anemometer. The wind is measured by with the instrument called anemometer. Understand? And this prevailing winds, we can see it on the map and meteorography and triple register in an instrument. The speed of the wind, it will record the direction of the wind, the sunshine, the precipitation, all these we can see in the records, the measurement. That is the instrument anemometer. In page number 101, you can see the instrument which used to measure the wind, that is called as anemometer. Can you able to follow then? So these are all about this climate and weather condition of the country, that is the earth. What are the elements we saw? The elements are temperature, rainfall, pressure, humidity and wind. Understand? This temperature, the important themes are, there are three mechanisms: radiation, conduction and convection. The units of temperature is Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin பாத்தோம். And there are three heat zones பாத்தோம். In a torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. And next to rainfall. Rainfall is the liquid water, that is droplets. That is during it is a relation, there is a relationship between temperature and the rainfall. The rainfall is high in equatorial region and decrease in the polar region. The instrument which is used to measure rainfall is rain gauge. And air pressure, third one is the instrument which is used for this is barometer. And there are two types of pressure, air pressure. They are low pressure and high pressure. High pressure ku enna symbol kodupanga H, low pressure ku L. Understand? அது என்ன லைன் எதை வச்சு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாங்க? Isobars. And the fourth one is humidity. Humidity is the water vapor. The position, the water vapor in gaseous form is called as humidity. Understand? There are three types of humidity: specific humidity, absolute humidity and relative humidity. Understand? And the instrument which measured the humidity is hygrometer. And the last one is wind. Wind is an element, and the wind is called as what we can say horizontal, the wind movement is called as air, and vertical the wind movement is called as air current. Understand? There are three classification, that is planetary wind, seasonary wind and the local wind. The instrument which is measured the wind is called as anemometer. Understand? So these are all about the elements. These are all the elements of weather and climate. And in the next class I will give you the question answers for this lesson. and also the the previous history lesson I took, no, that is the people's revolt. I'll give you the exercises for you, the answers for you, and you just take it down, children. This is very important lesson. You have to know what is about the earth, then only you can learn in the higher classes. In 9th standard, if you come to 9th standard and 10th standard, it will be easy for you to learn. Okay, so copy it down, and you have to know the temperature unit. Which is the instrument which we know the temperature, na thermometer. Which is the instrument which is measured in rainfall, abinna rain gauge. Understand? Air pressure, which is the instrument used to measure, that is barometer. And which is the instrument which is used to measure humidity, hygrometer. Which is the instrument which is used to measure wind, that is anemometer. So these are all enna instrument vachi இதை மெஷர் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்றத you have to understand. அதே மாதிரி earthquake, அது எந்த இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் வச்சுன்னா seismogram. Understand? So each and everything you have to know. அது அப்படியே உங்களுக்கு மைண்டில் இருக்கணும். தூக்கத்தில் எழுப்பி கேட்டால் கூட you have to say. Okay, so these are all about this lesson, weather and climate. In the next class, I will give you the exercises for you. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.